Hey, welcome to the Trucker John channel. I'm Trucker John. Thanks for tuning in today. We are going to talk about the work that was done on my truck and a couple other little things. So stay tuned. All right, so we just stopped at the rest area outside of Williston, Vermont. I'm on my way home today and been working last 2 weeks. Didn't go home last weekend either, so I've actually been out for about 3 weeks. So I'm headed on home tonight. I'll be home Saturday night and be back to work again Monday afternoon. But the reason I stopped here in the rest area is I need to put some new seals on my airlines, the little seals that go on the glad hands, which I'll show you outside. They're leaking a little bit. All right, so last time we spoke, it was February 21st. It was a Sunday night. I was over in the shop in Wadsworth, Ohio. I did end up getting all the work done, but didn't get out of the shop till Tuesday the 23rd, about midday. Just took a long time to get all the filters, the DEF filter and SCR filter and everything all put back in after we put in the new bracket cradles or plates. I think they call them plates, but they're like cradles, which I showed you in the last video. But anyway, we got those put in and got all the other work done on the truck, and I got it out of there Tuesday. Everything went well. I've had no problems with the truck since, and been back to work over here. So I'm running again between Fulton, New York and Waterbury, Vermont. Other than that, a couple other little things I got going on in the truck. I used the upper bunk in my truck for storage, and it's just always a mess up there and everything. So I bought a piece of carpet and a container, and I'm going to lay the carpet in there. I'm going to cut it when I get home because it's a little bit too big for there, but I'm going to cut it and lay that down into the little upper bunk. The mattress is not in there, so it's just kind of a wooden tray up in there. So I'm going to put the piece of carpet up in there and organize everything into that container, that storage container. If it doesn't fit in there, it don't need to be in the truck. But I got something else I'm going to be putting up there after I get home, which I'll save for the next video. And I guess that's about it. Oh yeah, I did get a leaf blower to clean the trailer out. I got a cordless leaf blower. Has a 8 amp lithium battery and came with charger and everything. Milwaukee Tools. Seems to work pretty good. I've been using it for about a week now and getting it perfected where I can blow all the dirt and everything into the one corner of the trailer where I have the door closed on one side. I kind of blow all the dirt into there. That way I don't want to blow it out on the parking lot over there at Waterbury. They might get upset about that. But I'm getting the technique down. It seems to work pretty good. Cleans the trailer out real well. Though I have noticed I get a lot of dust, breathing in a lot of dust and everything. So I may have to wear a mask. Imagine that, might have to wear a mask. Anyway, so that's where we're at today. And let's get out here and change those seals. All right. As you can see, these rubbers are shot. So we're going to pull these out. There's one. That one's really bad. Here's our old rubbers that came out of the glad hands. These are the glad hands. These are the air lines that go to the truck. The blue line is the service line, which when I step on the brake, air comes through this line and applies the brakes on the trailer. This is the emergency line. What this line does is when you push in the parking brake for the trailer inside, which is the red valve, it supplies the trailer with air, and what that does is it releases the parking brake. The reason it's like that is in case the trailer breaks away from the tractor, comes disconnected, this line will break and it'll let all the air out of the trailer, and it'll apply the parking brake to the trailer to get the trailer stopped. So that's why they call it the emergency line. Anyway, we got to put these new seals in here. trying to get it so you can see here. That's no seal. Then you just push these in here. It's kind of cold out, so they're not very pliable. There you go. There's one in. Put that one back on. Actually, I think I put the other one in backwards. Yeah. Now that I think about it. Doesn't seem like it would be right, but you put the bigger side in. Sometimes you need a screwdriver to help you. Just like that. Work it in there. There you go. Let me fix the other one. Yeah, I put that one in backwards. That's why I was almost able to put it in without a screwdriver, really. Just working in there. There you go. There's brand new seals.
Alright, so we're on Route 4 right here. We're going to be turning up here at the next traffic light onto Route 149.
We're in New York now. This is Fort Anne here. We've got about 2 hours. We'll be home in about 2 hours. Truck stop up here on the left. It's Fort Anne Super Stop. It's right here on the left. Got a good deli in there if you like subs and sandwiches. They make breakfast and they always have like a special. Pretty good food in there if you're ever coming through this area. It's still kind of cold out. It's 24 degrees here. It's supposed to get pretty cold tonight. I think it's single digits at my house. And then tomorrow's supposed to be cold, and tomorrow night, Monday as well. But I think, I don't remember if it's Tuesday and Wednesday or Wednesday and Thursday. It's supposed to be up in the 50s. That's gonna feel nice. That's gonna feel like spring. So yeah, next week will be the second week of March. And not this weekend now, today is Saturday, but next Saturday night into Sunday, we're going to set the clocks ahead on the 14th. So yeah, gonna have more light in the evening now. In a week, man, where things are looking up. Looks like we're getting towards spring. Anyway guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I do appreciate you watching all the way to the end here. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider doing that. I'd appreciate it. Don't forget to give me that big old thumbs up, leave me a comment, and we're gonna see you on the next one. Everybody take care, be well. Bye for now.